Well, all right, folk, it's chow time here in the Vanitarium. And of course, we fed the Butchmeister first, and he's psyched because he has his regular dog food, and today he has some chicken in it, he has some carrots in it, and he has broth from my daughter's chicken soup in it. And he is a chicken guy, so he's really digging this. So we're going to get ready to make mine, and we'll be right back with you, folk. Chow down, Butchie. Alright, so we got the rice going, and this is some chicken that I got from the exes. She does a really awesome thing in the crock pot. It sits all day. It's chicken, cream cheese, cheddar cheese, and some seasonings and everything, and it comes out freaking awesome. Now, what are you looking at, mister? You already ate your whole bowl of food with the chicken and everything in it. You chowed good today. Now it's my turn. Well, out here and hanging with the grizzly bear because he came out the house. He was going to call a few of his buddies, see if they wanted to hang out, but he saw, what did you say, about 3 of them? About 3 turkey hanging out in the field over here across the street. So we came over, but they were gone out of the field, so I came over here because it's been raining and the stream is going and everything, so I figured maybe they came down for some water, but no such luck. So anyways, it was cool, hoping we'd see the turkey, but no such luck. So later, folks. Alright, folks, hopefully I can get through the last part of this without my daughter in the background making me laugh. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. Actually, it's the next day and I just got done eating more burritos. This time they were beef. I made them in here and they're pretty dang good. And it was cool because I used some tomato, some banana pepper, and jalapeno, all which came from the garden, which was really cool. And I threw a little onion, but the onion we got from the store. But anyways, so that's good eating, and I have a couple saved for later. But right now we had a few things planned, but they are on hold because coming back from one of our last adventures, it wasn't the Noah's Ark, the animal sanctuary. I think it was before that. I got a $150 speeding ticket, which I have no idea, folk. It was in Youngstown, and I'm sorry if any of my people are in Youngstown. I can't stand Youngstown. To me, it's a crap hole. I don't know if they got little areas here in Ohio that are school zones, but school's not in session. So maybe I hit a work zone and didn't notice. I don't know. But they slammed me for $150 and just hit it and paid it. And so I can have that out of the way. So we're putting a few things on hold, and for the next couple months, pretty much concentrating on the Vanitarium. She is going into the shop coming up this month, I think. At some point, I think I'm going to put her in there, have her looked at, and make sure that stalling issue wasn't something big. And I'm also getting, I believe they're called Z brackets. I'm getting the Z brackets so I can get the solar on top after I do that. And then I think there's one or two more places I want to stop off with Caden and My daughter, she wants to go before they start school. And we have Joshua Boski. He's coming back somewhere around the 12th or something like that of next month. So hopefully you get to do a quick little adventure with him too when he gets back from his dad's and before they go to school. So anyways, a few more things going on. I was planning on leaving this area around September. That's usually, when I stay a while, I'll go in September. I usually like to stick around for when the kids go to school. But with getting that ticket and gonna have the Vanitarium looked at, I may want to save up a little bit more money. So I may go a month or so late. So we will see. But anyways, just want to touch base, let you guys know what's going on. Oh, Butchie Boy's over here. He's doing awesome. He's had a bunch of people to play with. He always has a buddy to play with. We had another pit bull over here, Bella, for him to play with. So he's been having a good time as well. But anyways, my daughter's in there right now making me some green beans. I believe she puts garlic, she puts onion in it, and she does them on the pan fry thing with butter and everything. So they come out awesome. So I'll be enjoying that tonight. So that's going to be about it. But till next time, don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.